Hello, I'm Rachel Hackling and I'm one of the authors of our new thematic report on the independent living skills curriculum in further education institutions, building a person-centred, skills-based curriculum. This report focuses on the current curriculum and the diverse range of learners it supports. It also considers the course specifications, initial assessments and recording progress, self-evaluation, quality improvement, professional learning, and the impact of the ALN code on these departments. We noted really positive improvements in this curriculum since 2017 when we last looked at this as part of a thematic, particularly when it comes to personalising learning and collaboration between further education institutions. We identified many spotlights of effective practice taking place all over Wales. As well as these strengths, we did note some areas for improvement, particularly considering the availability of provision for learners across Wales, including Welsh medium provision. We also noted areas for improvement about the curriculum appropriateness for all learners, initial assessments, the availability of guidance and information for learners, self-evaluation, and the impact of the ALN code. And so we have made recommendations to further education institutions, local authorities, MEDA, and Welsh Government. As part of this thematic, we met with learners, staff and leaders all over Wales, and we would really like to thank everyone who shared their experiences to influence this report. If you would like to read it, it is available on our website, where you can also access it in an easy read format.